Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at this construction 5-pack by Matchbox. It has a 2005 copyright date. It's one of those see-through packagings. You can look all the way through. There's two fantasy castings in there, not interested in those. 3 licensed cars. This one I did not have yet, so very glad to acquire it. The other two, we're going to also take a look at some other versions I have of these toolings. Interesting to notice here that the 3 licensed vehicles are all GM brands. So it does not often happen that all the licensed cars in a 5-pack are by one car brand only. So I'm going to open it up this way because it has been taped up, so it has been opened previously probably, or the glue has come undone. I'm not sure. I bought it like this. As you can see, glue is very old. I'm going to have to turn it around, otherwise they're going to all fall out. So that's one of those with the extra cover on top. First, take a look at the fantasy ones. Bulldozer, yeah, Matchbox has made a lot of these things, all similar. Way too many, in my opinion. 6-wheeler is kind of cool. Dump truck, yeah, all plastic here on top. So, yeah. Next up is the 1999 Chevy Silverado. Nice shiny chrome base, chrome front grille. It's got a trailer hitch. All the decos are on the side, but that's pretty usual for a 5-pack car. All metal bed here, so that's cool. Nothing plastic there. Very nice. Kind of a tan interior with orange or yellow windows. No suspension. And then we got the 2000 Chevrolet Suburban. No suspension either. So again we got the trailer hitch, the yellow windows, a white interior this time, and a grey front grille. And then I got the one I did not have yet. A lot of metal on this one, as you can see. The painted part is all metal, so there's a whole lot of metal on there. Does not have an interior, but you know, it's got a moving part, it's got a lot of metal. I don't mind. So this was first released in 2000. The GMC bucket truck, 1/83 scale. So let's see how this works. I'm going to have to move back a little bit. So like that. And this thing kind of, yeah, this swivels too. Like that. And then you can move it all kinds of ways. So there's a little bucket here, that's why it's called the bucket truck probably. And this is some kind of a antenna. I don't know what this would be used for. If anyone knows, please comment down below. Because this is probably something typically American. I've never seen this in Europe anywhere. So, very interesting device. And this probably turns too. No, it doesn't. The base doesn't turn. So this is fixed. It's just this one. This is as far as it will bend. And then this will bend kind of like that. Yeah, all the way around actually. Cool. Very interesting. So got a GMC in the grille. All metal here too, so no plastic. Very nice, cool casting. It's only been released a handful of times, so I'm very happy to acquire an example It looks really cool. Love it. Then let's take a look at some other versions of the other ones. So the Suburban, this is the first release from 2000. So this is in 1/76 scale, by the way. This did have suspension, so it had lost its suspension by 2005. So here we got a gray base also, but it's got some tinted windows. So then we got then the next version I got is the one I just showed that has lost the suspension. Then this tooling is still, or this casting is still used today. This is a 2016 release in a police rescue 5-pack in a NYPD theme. Very cool. So it also has the side tampos. I think most of these do. And then the last one I know of is in 2018. You have the 65th anniversary logo. 2000 Chevy Suburban in a sheriff livery. Nice gold color. Still the gray base, gray interior. It's got slightly tinted windows, but not as much. You can see there's 3 rows of seats in there. I like these hubcap wheels. They fit very nicely on this one. And then the Silverado. This is the first release of the 1999 Chevy Silverado. Sorry, the last one. Sorry, this is the last one from 2014. I don't have the first one. So the oldest one I have now is this one from the 5-pack. This was chrome grille and base. This is gray. So this is from the 60th anniversary, 2013. It's got nicer rims than the other one, I think. It still has the all metal bed. That's cool. This is in a 1/76 scale, so that's the same as a Suburban. So no suspension on this one either. Not to be confused with this Silverado. This is the 2014 release. 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. So this was the newer model that was released right after this blue one. So I'm going to put them next to each other. You can see there is a difference clearly. They're both double cab. Maybe this is a crew cab, this is double cab, or the other way around, I don't know. I'm not an expert on pickup trucks. We don't have a lot of these here in Europe. Very nice chrome. It's got a license plate that says Adlar 58. Might be one of the designers. The Chevy bow tie is painted too. That's a nice touch. So this is in 1/64 scale. And it's got taillights, the Silverado name, and the Chevy bow tie in the back. Unfortunately, we see the appearance of plastic in the bed. That is how things go. Less and less metal on them. And then the other version I have of this is from 2016. A little bit disappointing that it has a black base and so a black front end. Kind of takes away a lot of the detail, and the fact that it has a side tempo. I think a side tempo is okay for 5-pack models, but for the singles I prefer the front and back tempos. It's still a little bit nicer. The sunroof also to lessen the amount of metal in the casting. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.